Hello, I'm Jason Ball with Miller Electric, and this is your Miller Electric Quick Tip. Today's topic is going to be on the subject of myWelds. It's an application that you can have on your phone that can really help you out if you have a customer that needs a spec sheet and you don't have access to your laptop. Well, we have an app for that. The myWelds is going to be accessed through Safari or the App Store or whatever Android-based system you have. Access the myWelds by doing a search for it. The icon's going to look like this in the upper part of the screen. Once you have the application installed, you're then going to want to go open it. Use the authentication process that you use for your partner's extranet. So if you've already registered for partner's extranet, go right ahead, log in, you should be all set. Now that you can open the application, we can see that we can search this just like we could the Miller website to be able to find equipment spec sheet. So in this example, we're going to look for an engine drive, going equipment, going to a Trailblazer, and now we can see the selections of Trailblazers. We're going to click on a 325 engine drive in this case, diesel. And now that we've pulled up the information for it, we're ready to send this. By hitting that upper corner there, we can actually forward this to any of our contacts through a text message. Simply click messaging and then type in the name of the person that you want to be able to track down. Customize it if you need to, but this will help you get the information out there to the customer right away on what are the options and features and different problems that this solution can solve for you. So you can see it's a very powerful tool to have in your pocket at a moment's notice. In the next clip, we're going to look at how to look at a Delta Weld playbook that we can use on myWelds app to refresh ourselves on the value prop of the Delta Weld in the next segment. Until next time, I'm Jason Ball with Miller Electric, and this has been your Miller Electric Quick Tip. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.